Every successful project, whether it's constructing a bridge, designing a new app, or launching a satellite, follows a hidden structure. A sequence so universal that it applies to every industry on Earth. Miss one step and your project can collapse before it even begins, but master them and you can turn any idea into a measurable success. Welcome to Academic Engineering, where we decode the systems behind great engineering in management. Today, we'll simplify the 5 process groups, the backbone of modern project management. Every project begins with a spark, an idea, a need, a challenge. The initiating process group is where that spark becomes a real proposal. Here, we define the purpose of the project, identify stakeholders, and officially authorize the start. The key output, the project charter, acts as your project's passport to existence. It answers one crucial question: should we do this? Once the idea is approved, planning begins. The stage where engineers, managers, and teams turn concepts into a structured roadmap. In this group, we define what will be done, how, by whom, and when. It covers every key domain: scope, cost, quality, schedule, risk, and communication. By the end, you have a comprehensive project management plan, the blueprint that guides execution from start to finish. This is where plans turn into performance. The executing process group mobilizes resources, manages teams, and begins creating deliverables. It's the most visible phase. Meetings, prototypes, installations, testing, all happen here. But true execution isn't just about getting work done. It's about leadership, communication, and adaptability. While execution drives progress, monitoring and controlling keeps everything aligned with the plan. It's where performance is tracked, changes are evaluated, and corrections are made. Think of it as your project's GPS, constantly comparing where you are to where you planned to be. Tools like earned value management, status reports, and change control systems ensure that performance stays within boundaries. Finally, every project must end, not just stop, but close. In this process group, we complete all deliverables, release resources, and document what we learned. It's a formal conclusion that ensures accountability and knowledge transfer for future projects. In short, closure turns experience into expertise. So, to recap, initiating defines the vision, planning builds the roadmap, executing drives results, monitoring and controlling ensures consistency, closing captures the lessons. Together, they form a continuous loop, the 5 process groups that make every project manageable, measurable, and meaningful. This is Academic Engineering, where we transform complex engineering and management concepts into simple, visual stories. If this helped you understand the core of project management, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in our next video, we'll explore the 10 knowledge areas every project manager needs, the essential toolkit for every future engineer and leader. Stay curious, stay precise. This is Academic Engineering, where learning meets innovation.